Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Brands. I'm Marc from Alpha Controls. In our last episode, we discussed how hydrogen is re-emerging as a clean energy source, what's driving its comeback, and how it compares to natural gas. Today, we're going to continue that conversation, but shift our focus to how instrumentation plays a key role in both the distribution, manufacturing, and storage of hydrogen. Joining us again today is Yaasiin from Alpha Controls, where we break down a few key applications where instruments play a vital role, as well as how Alpha Controls, through our trusted partners, helps make this process both safe, reliable, and compliant. Let's get started. So in your last episode, you spoke about some of the challenges and some of the safety concerns around hydrogen. What are some of the things that we need to really keep in mind when working with hydrogen?
We had touched on the fact that hydrogen is odorless compared to natural gas. And although natural gas is poisonous and can cause carbon monoxide poisoning, where hydrogen doesn't, it doesn't make it any less dangerous. So hydrogen can still cause asphyxiation in certain areas if there's enough hydrogen in the air to replace the oxygen molecules. As well as it is a combustible gas, so that threat level is still there if there's enough hydrogen in your surrounding.
Did you know that natural gas in its purest form is also odorless? Because it's used so much in our daily lives, gas companies put an additive in there that gives it that methane smell for safety reasons. So hydrogen sounds just as dangerous as natural gas, and it's odorless. So how do we protect ourselves from that?
A great example of that would be one of our partners, QEL. They offer a product called the Q8, which is ideal for hydrogen leak detection in enclosed spaces.
So it sounds like leak detection is a great solution for small enclosed spaces. But what about those larger spaces like warehouses or even outdoor spaces?
Funny you should ask that. Me and Adam were just chatting about that yesterday. Last week we talked about how hydrogen has an invisible flame, and that's where something important like flame detection comes in handy. By using its UV and IR technology, it can detect the flame accurately and quickly, helping you protect your workers, the environment, and your facilities from further damage.
So when I think of flame detection, I think of Spectrex.
Spot on, Marc. The 4040C or 4040D-EB from Spectrex would be the ideal candidate for an application like this. It uses multi-IR technology, so IR and UV, for early and quick detection to stop anything from going catastrophic.
So we've talked about some of the safety concerns and how we address that through leak detection and flame detection. I like to think that flow plays a pretty critical role in the hydrogen process. I guess that would be AliCat.
Specifically for applications with electrolyzers, fuel cell, as well as hydrogen storage, AliCat actually has a large variety of mass flow meters and controllers for your applications. And more recently, they actually came out with a hazardous location, first of its kind, mass flow controller that can be used for hydrogen applications for your hazardous locations.
First of all, I'd like to thank Yaasiin for helping me with today's episode.
Thanks, Marc. It's been great.
And I hope this episode gave you a clear understanding of how instrumentation plays a key role in the re-emergence of hydrogen as a clean energy source. As hydrogen continues to expand, using our instrumentation is key. Here at Alpha, we're proud to partner with our trusted suppliers AliCat, Spectrex, and QEL to make sure that these hydrogen applications are possible. As your precision partner, we're always here to help. So if there's anything you'd like to learn more about, drop in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode of Brands.